Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to create a Roblox account. Now to create an account, first of all, open the application that you have downloaded. You are at the home page of Roblox. Here to create an account, you need to tap on sign up. Tap on sign up. For creating the account, you will need to provide all this information over here. So type in the date of birth, then tap on confirm birthday. You need to provide a username, but in Roblox you cannot provide your real username. So type in a different nickname for here. As you can see, the username that I have provided is already in use, so I need to type in a different one. You can add numbers to your username as well. Once the username is available for you to use, you can type in the password, and then you need to choose your gender. Then tap on sign up. And with that, you have created yourself a Roblox account. Here, to log in, you will need to have an email address or the phone number. So what you need to do is tap on add email, type in the email address of yours, then tap on continue. Please check the link in the confirmation email sent to you. So Roblox has sent you an email for the email verification. You just need to go and check your email for the to be verified. There's the Roblox mail on top. Tap that. Then tap on verify email. This will verify your email and your account as well. So this is how you can create a Roblox account for yourself. Hope this video was useful on how to create a Roblox account. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.